Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how do we multiply two polynomials. Let's start with the basic example. Say you have to find the product of say 2x with 3x plus 5. So when there is a bracket, it means it's multiplication. Okay. So how you work in multiplication? It is same way how you work with the numbers. You have to use the commutative distributive property. So what you will do? You multiply 2x, this whole term, with 3x, and then you multiply 2x with 5. You just multiply. So what will happen when you do that? This gives you 2x, then multiply with 3x. Then here it is plus, so write plus again. And then again 2x, this 2x is getting multiplied with 5. So 2x times 5. Okay, now we have to simplify it further. So what we see here the numbers. So multiply the numbers. 2 times 3, it gives you 6. And then we work with x together. So how many x you have here? Here it is 1 and 2. So x power 2. Plus, again, multiply the numbers. 2 and 5. So 2 times 5 is 10. And we have only one x, so we write x. So this product is equal to 6x squared plus 10x. Okay, let's take another example. Find the product of, say, 3x squared minus 5x multiplied with 7x cubed. Here, yes, it is possible that you have the number on the right side of the bracket. Again, the process is same, the multiplication is same. So what you will be doing, you are multiplying 7x cubed with 3x squared as well as with 5x. So let's write down what we get. So write this down first, 3x power 2 times, what you have the second term, 7x power 3. Okay, now as here it's minus, we'll write it here minus. Similar to here, it was plus, so we note it down here plus. Okay, and then 5x multiply, what is this term? Again 7x power 3. Now we will simplify it further. So what we will do? First we multiply the numbers. 7 times 3 is 21. Then we have to check what will be the power of x. So here the power is 2, here the power is 3. So we just basically add 2 and 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5. Minus, again, multiply the numbers 5 and 7. 7 times 5, 35. To look for the power of x, what we have here, the power is 1 and here it's 3. So 1 plus 3 is 4. So in this case, our answer is 21 x power 5 minus 35 x power 4. I hope it's clear now.